Oh, sorry.
Oh my goodness.
It's right here.
Not in my house.
I'm getting ready to go to church. Take it, Mama.
Not today.
You have to announce. Come on, you turn.
Oh my goodness, Mama, that is so ugly. Why would you put that on your face? And that on your head?
I'm getting ready to go to church.
No, you are not.
Put it on, baby.
Not like that. It is silver. It is silver.
Why y'all coming for that?
I did that. Yeah.
That is jacked up.
Barry, why you never use in the bed?
That's just for them.
What's simple?
Y'all just quit me.
She said she prayed.
Okay, you put too much of it on because I can smell it now. Oh my goodness, that is not nice.
I see some people with lipstick on.
It's all silver and gone.